Obototas.
And anu ya. Obi susu ni kunu. Ne brush odi twi ne se. Ne yeso odi akotwu twiri water closet mu. Den ya ni kunu fa na chi.
Na we.
Answer benem.
Ongunya wo. Obi weja wo. Obi weja wo.
But Ejabo.
Hey, so serious.
Ade ba kwa mi hu ni say. A Christopher da bia ye preach.
Oh yes, sika de yo.
Sika
Sika ball cry ha dwen. Sika de ye. Wanya ni bebre na emom.
Hu nipa mo.
Yi say agberi krakro bi na do kon a wetumi
ato. We
na ye yo. Sika de ni hu a.
Anya kra.
Sa ko de say utiti se dwenti. Se kra ma ti a.
Tinya se kra.
Da bi kra de.
But obi asoda na pe kra.
But onyunu obedidi.
Sure.
Nyankopon hwe na ko ma de nche no.
Tasem de no kra.
Ezi Ejabo said na me.
Ene say fufu adome kon emi den menya bi edi.
Onya bi ndi. Onya bi
edi.
Obi nso ajese odi apesi.
Mba wone tu.
Obenya bi edi. Obi nso apesi ekwa no kwa do so onya bi.
Obedidi.
Se no sa no kon be do unya. Omo no sa afo ne yokobe.
Odi bi say gari no kra no awo kan. Obi nso pe bi a wonya ye o.
So nya asem no.
Nti ba bi a wugina bi a wo ye obi mentor. Ba bi a wugina bi a wo ye obi prayer topic. Enti mo wa hai obi bompai de nya AHENKAN933FM a. Nya he. Onso so wa ha say nya peace FM a. Nya adom a nya ha. Sa na tie. Obi nso wa adom ho pe BBC akọ. BBC ni nso pe ba bi foforo afa.
Adom ne pe BBC akọ.
I just have to now person o ka bibi adwen.
Asofofo a ene da mu preaching na dwamambo nye.
Enya asofo nkwa ni preach adwamambo.
Ye nyina ye ka.
Malamfo nyina ka bi.
Yes, obi aka. But oboade ba ko ne say a Christopher because of
who you Christian. Okay.
Say adentina say obi wa asori ni mu. Na utimi se nipa du ni mpanyin fie so. Asori mu amu ni timu se nipa yi. Onya ware obeware. Ebi kura meka se wodidi nkomo. But ne ho nso. Ade na asori ntimi nyinam no mo nya nipa no ade mfama no.
Okay. Nti enie. Yese wa do. Ene be kire wa bomu.
Se wote woni atam ho se be se.
Dabi o nyi atam wo.
Me ba wo. Ene me kire se wa do na be kire wa bomu. Asori na wo ko ne sen. Wo ko ne se me ye Pentecost ni akeke. Ana ye kwa ko kanyame nsem pa wo kobi. Ye ko prapra wo ka ho. Wa nkokora no a utumi kire die nti a wa ma. So that's it. You have to be committed to the church. I was sorry ni di wo so mfaso because Nyankopon de adom ache de awura wo mu. Nti was sorry ni so mfaso. Enti say we just church member kwesi ada na wo kwa sorry. Wo kwa sorry kwesi ada no so a wo chen mata. You are just there occupying space. Ye mo ensem kra na ya asem kese. Mata. Bo nsem ya asem kese. Ye two offering onko bi na so ye ntunwie woni misika e da ayibo ni mu.
Oni obo mu nyini fra sorry ni mu an.
Na yi wi free mu.
Oh. Senior de okika eje se de so ni mfaso ma asori no.
Enti wo na se wo so pese asori no so ba mfaso ma wo a wo sesa wadwen.
And asori ne ho no mu se obe twe akra ma Nyankopon ana meboa.
Asori no adwuma no.
Yes,
but bisa won say asori down na ekotwe akra ma Nyankopon ana say wo ne me ne besesan adwuma akotwe akra no.
And when say any pado se na timi so busa e bia nipa no the reason tia wono so nya sa anwoma ni nyina no so na asori na timi abusa no. Na wakotena so ndem a ya preach say me wo reason a me de mintimi preach me wo reason a mintimi emo me nsam me wo reason I was say entina ukwa de wo hye obi nsa say nipa we e bia nipa we Obuoba Ofori
enyo ne doso yenka se ukwa so dia
chenchena say so nya mre ma sori ma ne de anya yo
tie yenka se ukwa so dia chenchena beto offering no but one to offering kra sa one sakura no abo nsam ye come on some so be a kai maame no because some maame de oson sembo mu a so as ye e won say wo ye bibi e won say wo ma so ba mfaso ma sore no na sore no so aba mfaso ama wo sa asem ti onko tana sore dem enkoye ma ta sa keke ya sore ko obu on mo pan sore awade ni hia won obu on pan sore ya ofa ne bag ya trom oko ube hunu ni biem aje kwasi ada
me
Dabi.
Me ya.
Trom.
Obo.
I was say.
Ebia me ko baabi o.
Dabi dem. Esono no. But obu ha ni suban no. Opo anso ya trom. Ye betere nka bi magi kwasi ada. Opo anso ya trom. Ye betere enti sa so ye compile bo, ye se ye bo afori akoye we ye se ni nyina wonye bi. Na wonye bi no sa so ne ye den na ma wo.
Obo se onye bi a ebia na wo so unnim de ha no.
O reason no nchen bibia se wo nkwa.
So wakwa sori ne kwa de se o ya active.
Church is a family.
And me se obi so be yes a.
And me say asori.
Se obi be kwa asori se ye bibia wonye na. Hwe na wo kwakoye dai, wo kwakoye dai. Hwe.
Obu on mo oye but bibi besi. So be so ajaya na bibi esi. Ande minim bebre. Bibi si a na afa no wono so otwetwe ne ho.
Na bibi na esi ye no. Entimi nye fa ba ko pe na ye ade a bibi si ye. Uyi bi na misumi ye bi. Na e bi a wo de no wani anye ho.
Da bi minim ayi bi a obi aye ne bibi wa sore ho. Enti afa de o se ane.
Enti asore ne mpanimfo nim.
Yes.
No, me ba. Mpanimfo wa sore nim.
Mpanimfo no bo so no.
Obi ye bibi no. When hunu pani bia ko kan kire no ana wo se by magic ampanimfo no be gina puppet no so a o hunu obi a hawo
munim pa me ka cho me so case de bebre obu on mo munim pa o munim
so ampanimfo
ni nim
ai ndo ba twi o mani ebia ni pa ni na nya no kra yes kani se ho
omonka
ende bebre obu
na so hu so bi aba de wo mu an se wa fodie mu oduru post ye betamama wo no wunni adoma chede kwa be ma wo
e wo se wo mo ne ye di post ma wo mo ne ye pesika boa nyame adwuma a wo mo atimi yi aboa tie me ba na ka wo sika no abetena so dem no wo de betena wo sa keke e wo se ye padwuma ma ye na wo de sika ne boa sikafo ne boa nyankopon na adwuma Yesu wa me
sika bu anya papa
Yesu amesia o kan sa de ya no nso so e wo ho
ti nipa na wo sika no sika papa ben wo tu ya sika ne de he
oh na ye da bi o he
obona se ye yimu na ye
ade be yimu
se ya escape
share na me ba o Yesu
nipa
Yesu ade Yesu ba asase so na ma bebre ni ho ara na dokas no kokofa na damfo ara na Mary Magdalene no kofa na damfo Yesu mpo no ono no de asem ne ba ye no enti sika fo ne de wiwom firi ma nye ye he obi wo sika no wo asoro ho a pe bibi ma ne nye wo asoro ho
no na mondiska
na o ba asoro no antra konwa so o ba asoro no se fan ni wa nka so ne wo fan no e bo papa no wa bisa ho se e ya bofo de beti ya like there
enunti wa fan se o pe bibi ma ne nye no sika ni ko ya de boni a
o be da kan
to me
see a reality obo ya dia wo ho
sikani eye say sikani me I know sorry bia osofo ni ko preach a odi kan hia ne board of trustee no esikafo no na wa ka kire mo say me message am ko preach ni o mo say da bi we free mu fa we hye mu we di all kan ebe kwatia yen dodo eno wo ho but sorry am running is no enya sorry papa but obi bi obeka kire o se sikani wo asori atoto na se no onipa no so nya futu papa no de ma
ye nka se atoto na se
obi obeka kire o se sikani wo tie obi obeka kire o se sikani wo asori e mani post no enya futu papa mani post man adwuma nye no won ka sori ne ho
no fa okay so
no fa ni sika ne mo asori no
adwen na wo ka so ko bibini na wo kana se ni
ye nya fo ne mama ye
munyina mo beja muso mo de aye na ukwa yi asia ukwa yi asia obi anya adwuma nyo se ayi ba fie a obi anya adwuma ye wo mo dum sika na eboa ono no ante ne bag sen ne kon ho obehu na hye ne motuo bi na ne ntoma boso so ehu ante fo no a bo so mo atwu o na ho akeka o na ne so kites so kites no so that here ante for no mo mpekasa
scanner na
omo damu kakra no a ono omia na ni atimi tua 2 cd ni bi no omo no ma no odin no because we already edi ni sika no ye ye no edi ye ene ye wo mo nso so a kapre so ono no behunu be hia no atwetwe ne skirt kosoro
o ye den a
ye wasani pa no ono otwi nkonwa wo de yi aduane for no mra ye wo mo wo ho ye wo mo ensu si canopy nti obia wo ne so ne adwuma
eno de ye nyankopon sa na wa ye no untimi nsesa no
enti sika ni
middle class
me wa sorry
high class yenim
me wa sorry na sikafo wo mu a me ye omu nyina mpanimfo
I don't think so
eno na be wa sorry no
dabi
no obo bisuban be da aka
me ye omu nyina
obi a onim otoya to ka ma sofo no enye sofo na adwen ni say ebia o gbibia but papa no woska enti chese bibi bia ye ukọ ayi a e kan say ebi obi awu ya kwa ye wafaka no awode ne ho onim asori ni mu ano wo twempra serious bi wo
enti eno no sa no
obi antimi aka so
na meka say eno sa no
so antimi ntuni say hiani na ye ya ke tu na sa no
eno sa ne de na meka say eno sa no
why ni pani na obuwe why ni pani no obi ka say pani ni de
pani na meka ne nye say ya pani say bra betena property so enye sa na meka
treasure
so no ho ebia yes ebia ekuo we wo hweso ebia evangelism team o da no
na mo keka hiafo no so aben mo kakra
o nyina wo mu bi me ka tira mu pen obi obeka tira so mo kenka bible ni yie yesu ba asase so fa hiafo adamfo no oboa yesu ba ye no wan fa hiafo adamfo
hiafo de
okwa
hey poor no friend
yesu ba asase so ne first na mfofo fa wo mu nyina yesikafo adwumayefo oko ayi Peter ho Peter sabre no no ye billionaire ompia Peter sabre no no wo sika ye ka sikafo ana Peter
say ho so no na yankopon ani wo mo ho
so ati ase
because na sika no mo wo no enioma bebre bata ho nti na yankopon ni interest ne say
enti
obema bibi papa de efro mu aba
enti osofo no wadwuma ne say obema wo ho kwan ama yankopon de wa ye adwuma na ewo mu se omo ye sikafo de but what for nyame en kwan so and one more kasa
yes no but ebia ka say omo waskanti no ma me fo mo nya sika na keke dia e omo begu asore no sikafo no e very very difficult so be control
what you mean control yes sikani no e empaibo ne ye bo se nyame sesa na adwen
erade
oka chintu baby o preaching nyina no na wasan bom paye territory so that's it because sikani ye preaching kire no
dabi
sikani empire ene ye de ye ne ho adwuma
mako na edidam omuti asem omu na tintintinti enti no so wo je no asore na ko ba ne pose o man say dia fine
enti mo ye asika for dem mo ye
amonyi wo bat asotro da ho
monyo mo post na mo ma mo ho kwan ni Nyankopon fa mo so enso ka ne nsem papa ni nkire wo mo hwe wo de onipa bi oso ye stubborn kanyame asem one sentence pe kire no fa ni ja ho edim fie sense asem na o ka kire no one day
obekai
ho be ba mfa so enti sikafo de monyo mo
sikafo de monyo but ombeba be creative problem
yesu ba asase so wan fa hiafo adamfo
na make so obuwe ahiafo no ohiani answer into ohiani be mpa na in fact obekwa akwaya ade kasie onim so ye hiani to be so baskani di onim se bi wo ho ti sikafo no na aya na enso bebre obuoto owo sika ma me mo ho ban
ohia kra me nyini so ohia wo ho obi anyo hiani o eya ho kire
no so de wo kan no so wo ho
eya ho kire
eno so wo ho but Nyankopon de enti amemi di se Yesu ba ya o kwa for the channel
bibi betimi ahia wo at that moment no so abe ye hiani de ani hia wo ayi covid ba ye anyina hye dem ye nyina be ye ahiafo because ye nya yank ibe pie but ye ntimi ampie
ntimi nkoto de
to hye dem wo sika pa but wo hye dem ntabonten kwa be hia wo but aho kire na wo ho so that say
people na ho kire no wo tia sorry ni mo no wo je no collection
na menye hey give and it shall be given unto you
na give ni ye nya ye give ya what dey boy you just
yes na on person be give no ho anu ye nkwaje ne de mre wo
na nyina wo so na wo gaze sikafo ho no ma wo di position ni ade be mema wo mu se de be wo be contribute mo mu amasikafo no contribute na so ni pija ni so metan ye mo ye nsam ni so ya to da na se
ani na de bi sikafo ye sikafo ai
mo mu ye sikafo so na mo position wo na wo pija mu di bre mo ye sikafo
ani na mi preach ya kire wa kire wo kwan abefa so a won so betumi abe sikani so that here udim de e ma ye ho kire yen pa yehunu sika kwan se wa enti prayer tower betimi agina ne nanso hiri ahon owie pe wo se bɔ afɔre ne wo hwe wanim sika ni ɔmmɔ hiri ahon obeyi sika
giving so mra da ho ne de constant
enti wo pese wo di yi a sua sane ye chade sua sane ye ma
oma de oma de be ma
that is it
and de de ensesa no so ye de boye ni o so ye
hwan
oma de be ma
enti me meti ai sei sika ma sane sane fiti ndura ba yi nyina ma sane me hwedi mu se obi de ne ho beba be wo so
fa be wo
na ye den ye beba
oh de man kwa da on sabeka
me chade a ehwa na mama mani so awurade wo se ye mama
ti ye ne ye wo
so ye wa famu de that is it
eno de o man de be ma wo obi give a bia nu ono mo so wala akeda ebi si da
never na wo so nsa pop onso ti ason dem
ende enye
ye na o ka se maame na oyo hia yi okunani no wa nkoma anka Nyankopon Yesu ehunu
but me hu say like ya diverting no the thing is enye si nyina ye ma wo but
obiano ne
you so no
but when it come to nyame mu a e was ye nya treat ye nya equal opportunities enye si ye show obi say obi wo sika ntino ne ye ma no
nya no kre
nyame mu no enye equal opportunity enye si atembo no ni kwa say ye pe
enye ye equal obo
oh da bi
enye si atembo ni kwa say Nyankopon bu ye na atempe
enye Nyankopon so obo ese necessary
yes no doubt about it but Nyankopon mu no equal opportunity ni ba bia
sese
ade na ohimbinom inoko ohim no memeti ye Nyankopon ohim na mi nwu anka mempe
eno afiri ho
wana ka kire o
eno no afiri ho yen diem ni ewo
dabi
Nyankopon tu ejuba je so
ade ye nyina nya asofo
odobi sin me
Nyankopon oh yes
really
na me do bi chambi
oh yes
me dem engine this as Nyankopon do bi
na nyo no na boy ye nyina anti ya funu ba ko be wu nkura nya okay
endi Nyankopon ma asase mu pa ye me ne Israel for no mo de no mo nya nipa
na edebe no mo ye
eti sank wo do mo de a enka wo so ko do mbo ne che wo
maame kra na wa wo kra no wo ye bone otimi twa so
na wo ni se ma me ba na wo ni se ma me fo no so no omma omo wo bi no mo pe o ma sem pa
maame bi abes e wo so do ma nyina pe
enya no kre enya no kre enya no kre
enya ni maame kra wo ye
bias e sha ase ade bom fitin ase
Nyankopon na ye bias
me ka me kire wo
sa
oh yes
how
hwe Nyankopon o ye bias kese
sedenti de be ntire Nyankopon
e bias no de ne se o ye bias no e de priyedie de mayen
ne so ye bias
o ye bias
onya
no
Nyankopon o ye bias a priyedie amobi
me ba o ye bias
enya bias
o ye bias
so o de a priyedie ebia wa ha say wo se wonim se de obo wonim se ne ositie etime no wo ko ni say wo so me no be ko ni say wo me no be ko ni say enti oni obi ya ko ni different no nche say
adena Yesu yesi ye wo Yesu na Nyankopon ama mefa Ghana ni so ama ya wo Yesu na Israel no kopie
na sata na Ghana ho
na Ghana ni ho
na mo Ghana
of course
na mo wiase na nti ko mfa he
enyo ni asem no
na America fo so no mo ho
na obia wo ho
China fo ho
obia
China fo obia ho China ni so ka say
Nyankopon nim ni a
wa hyehyɛ na ade
that is
asem no wa hyehyɛ ene wo de time ato obia ade ho
asem na me ka no
say na wo se so e bias
oh Nyankopon ba na wo kenkan Bible o se Nyankopon enunkum twini a jealous God
yes eno de megitum
and a bias ne jealousy ne de
a difference wo jealousy
na ayi
bias
tie Jacob de me do no enipa mienu ne yanyem wom Nyankopon tumi hwe om mienu anim ka chom se ba akodo odo no how could you
say and am enti da ba akodo otan no
na me no wa beden onya madamfo so that's it na wa boni pa
madamfo ba ne ni
wa boni pa mienu
Nyankopon ti enti da na make say Nyankopon no
Nyankopon ya bias
onya bias
mi nya ya ko sofo pani bi bowre mu mi nya ya ko sofo pani bi bowre mu Nyankopon ya bias
onya bias da
Binya ya ko so for penny bi bowure mu akeye.
Mimi hu ni say Nyankopon no the time ato obia ho. Nyankopon the time ato obia na ne de. Se ne na wo ka so obi wo ban na ebia nko bewu no. Ti Nyankopon onim se asomasi we ebia me man ba na obewu edi se wunya oba na obi anya ne ba eno nche se Nyankopon ni wu enni ni ye no ni asomasi edi ni ye e time na ebi odi ato ho obi ti me na nam ya se na oni ba o
all powers
last day no wa
all powers belongs to God. Indi se me woni me wu a sa tumi ni Nyankopon ho betimi asesa no
na so owu so kanipa ho
eminim but awo so kanipa ho inti awo ba mani agia
awo no kra mpo nya obi so awo no kra Bible mu kra so o kan say obu anu kra mpo wa ubetimi atre wi ase me nware say wa nware ya opa ubetimi aware opa so me wa enti so kwa ware na de awo ba
na enipa do say na aware omo nware ya oma wo say bi mi so nware ya but oma wo eno so ho but obu e de wo say ate ase but ya me pese ni ameka
me de bias de me nyintu
ni ameka kosie nyina ne say
Nyankopon ya bias
na
Nyankopon ya hwehwu anim
enta eyi wabontafo ebia sound sound a bit blasphemous say but that is the reality reality ni say Nyankopon ye twemu ni beten ye pe odobi sini bi
Nyankopon do bi tin
I tell you
serious so me babia ebia
time embre ebre no na owo ebre me se obi betimi atena wiase ya Nyankopon onimia na dakope
obi time bia ti ebia obi time bia
ti me the time na did but
fine in other way no imagine that way no
why nipa na that
ebia o se edibo mfa se ediboyefo omo a omu ni ne hihye so so and the Bible no kro omo ni ne hihye so betima na tamfo but no kra mpo no still na no o de be chew ya so twe no wo chewo enya so wotan wo se wotan wa de no ko beku afri opreko so what ya say bia o de twe waso se de be ya wani beba ho so
hware o se onim ahyase free awieye alpha and omega ahyase ne awieye Nyankopon nti wonim ni nyina ne ebesi ochena Nyankopon nim enti meti hayi se ochena medi bone Nyankopon wonim
Sasam no
oso de obi apa ama no
question mu asam na wo keka ni
oso de obi apa ama no
na question so keka
and that's the reason why our judgment wo ho o watem wo nti oso de obi apa ama no
ba oso for pani bi abam wa me kwa ma so oso for F nkan sa ba ho ma so papa o tie ka ro pe ya mo ache
me ba me jojo
na pu mo ko de
ya me ado
me gidi yie se debate ya soro wa ha no wutie kakra
ne de me fi radio no ho bibie no amaka me TV
oh okay and some dey aburuburu bebre no aso
generate TV na minti
yo enti baako yesi Nyankopon ye bias mi nuanom e wa ha ise nya no kore Nyankopon ye bias ya kire se ntafo mienu Jacob ni Esau Nyankopon ka ni pen se odo Jacob enti eho no eye one instance de kire ye ya sanso kire se sikani asikafo Yesu kura beka ne nsempa na asikafo no fa o madamfo omo so kire se da bi asikafo de ebinum ye stubborn enti wan hwe ye kura no mutimi gu asori ahiafo no mu ne yantwe mu nwura mu ensem de aka bebre afia de bi beka ho afia
reverend asoma ye ka no obo se nyame ya bias o Nyankopon ye hwehwe animu nyame ayeyiyi mu odobi mu sin bi ene ye say Nyankopon ebia na meme dia meme say ebia Nyankopon no de time ebre ene na ye na ade ebia wo wasreba wanya bi mimi nya aba ne bia fine ye kra ya kyerɛkyerɛ mu ansa bia Nyankopon mimi nya aba na ebia na bia makwa wo so kra ede akwa akowu enti Nyankopon save me kra me kan say me life o save me life enti no say Nyankopon ye hwehwe animu na wa ma obi ba na wa ma me ba de mingi mimi nya aba ne bi na obi anya bi de mingi ntum sa mimi de migitum ne say eye time ebre ene na no de ye na ade enti there is no way Nyankopon betimi aka say wo me man sika we man sika me do we sin bi da bi ade na ko do obi sin bi a ade no ko owo ne no no ane do baba ko pe say umbeji adasa nyina nkwa
edi papa ensem na no wi adwempa so be bisa ne de
ma adwempa so kan de
uwi a
okay de mo kanu Nyankopon de enya no krese nyame do obi sin obi nyame do enipa nyina memfa we mremu wohu nipa nyame bo ma bodamfo obo wo so
mi wo so pa
so o ma dwen atotema se nyame do ebi sin bia o de hwe sankrofo no wohu bodamfo awakọ hospital da
mi nyanti bi ba ya ta do mo ko psychiatric
I know they say obi na atam na kwa kope na yarhwe but oma dwen ate amne na mabontin wan bodan fa wa yare
omo yare da wo so wa no no de da kwan ho
ono ne yare no yare that time no nyame do a wo de do ye no e kata sanko fa fe me yense sanko fo we so won wo ma ti krunki tuam ene de wuntimi nka ekurase but yenka krunki tuam o ma ti krunki tuam odo Nyankopon de dom na so papa ene na moto ne ka ebu na nka first obi awo kra ka obi ewo krunki tuam no ono yeti ahaban hia na wawo obi ti krum obekọ hospital saa ebeye bi mu surgery ni ade nti Nyankopon do no esu obi aso afei ne mebeza mote ase wo saa debate amu yes God is a sovereign God. God is a sovereign God. Nyankopon nyame ye no ne sovereignty no se wo tena se na wo say o se said the more can say nyame ye hwehwemu na obeye mistake ebi say ono boy and odo bia ba na ebi kan ye ema nyame adoye ne say yen yankasa nda bia ye fi nyame do no ho because ka nyame pese nipa ye setie ede mano nanka ode odo ai mo odu edo nipa enso be hu ane nipa twe ne ho fi ho but no nyina mu kra no nyame onya yen da bia ohwe se ne oye manipa nyina obeye nipa nyina nka nyame do bia esin bia anka nsu atui masa anka manfo ebeto bi mu efuom nko ento bi mu die o nyame do nipa ebi mu sin bia nka mframa efei nka bi mu bahom ebi humu bi o nyame do ebi mu sin bia nka nkwan esikafo ebeto a nka hiafo die nyina ombeto aka ho enti ni sovereignty no niema bi wo hono ma ewo hono ma enti na ni nyansam no wanfa nse nipa nsa wanfa mframa manipa anka odi mframa ma nipa te say ECG fo ebubul odi say electricity ya anka masa ebi ntimi ntobi kebe twa bi mu diem anka nsuo awia ene saa ne ma ni nyina no odi se nipa nsa anka ebe hagen na oba odi say Jacob ni nua Esau asem na wo kan nyame be kan say me do Jacob me tan Esau na asem a nyame na kan ye me sofo bi a no ye me mentor mi sofo Maakye ata na odi kire na o ka kire say nyame say odo Obuoba tie efia untimi a fa nyame kokot. He is a sovereign God. The sovereignty no it me to be aso obi nkwa asore but is gani obi kwa asore ne ho kire no the sovereignty no san wan se ne ma adintia ebi obi kura wa asore fie wono ma se nyame ka se onye yi a ebi kura onche wo wi ase onye sika onche wo wi ase but ne dono ni obedi ni obenom odebema no obi so nkwa asore ebi o wakoma fufuru bi a wonti na Nyankopon abie saa akwanya na mano na am wanye sika a Christopher Krambo bebre was come to more ding so ni akọ mani bi no o ma no enso sika bezo nya sika ade ba kwa ba mu wanye sika se onye sika obedwen afoforo ho eno na be ma wahye mu atre enti wo ma te saa no be ko so adore eno obi zo wa se ode ne 1 cedi ba ebe ma moburuni no onye da but God's sovereignty on love no and no the assume be also but say we be sika we be bebre we bini de the would drink ho a ebefa trim because the sovereignty no for say emu ni hwehwebia onyankopon wo say ni nyamye no emu ni hwehwebia enimdifo ahwehwe nyame mu ahwehwe wantimi ehu nti niema ni bi wo no ma mo dwene ho a aya mo ntia say God is a sovereign God. His sovereignty no obie no odua obetimi ahwehwem na what my judgment say adan nyame aye say adan na nyame wo na one day na osofo isu danaba na sorry ma call convention wo northern region osofo no ma ne yere wo mu nyina take edim konya accident ye ni ma nyina wu osofo is so powerful when nyani wu foda but ne yere ni ma nyina akọ baye ba be hwe osofo zo obisu no when nya convention wo jirem eye convention ni bieye madam for back ben go sof ye federal sof JK Ambo ono no kire me said ye Kenya me sam twe akra ba nya me nten na he's powerful about what I call it also for JK Ambo what pando ado sof for pando na anopa o mewrade didi ogira ewrade didi po no ho a ene be ka tire say the yirewu isa say ko be just shock na obetie nkwa say the yirewu no. No, I forget to America did Napoli. Those people, no, God loves them. Because all money I mean was they say we a comedy will be a dam will be out to say Yamakrado, Yamno knew. But Yankopon or Bribia or yet not doye and any dono, who yin a demand nipa. So what is our name and I'll say, there be other who say Yankopondo. I did see Yamia, my room. Mo betra radio issue mo kase amode amokasa no nyame do no na aso because obi asori anope wentimi ansori kra nko ne o de se adwuma obi akampem okokolebu accident center and abo se nyame yodo ebi nice say ewiem ye de dadoa ewurewurem na se ewiem saa pasani ba no da wo se eni da so e ho ma no nti nyankopon do de
ewo ho bo bia
so inti mayen kakra da say nyame ye bias kasa God is a spirit now yet every thought every thinking nyame bu ngonda inti the moment I betimi aba conclude say nyame ye nhwehwe animu nyame ye nhwehwe animu a na stop sani pa no hu mi sisi aweden everybody ye nhwehwe everybody do bia ene obia ye o kire obi be ye and then Yamia do AHENKAN ebie radio station mo ye ochira mo mu bi nso mo breso an sovereignty no ne doso a kwan bia obefa so ama wadu ho no obefa so eye sede ebenya gidie ewoni mu ne na nante ne hu se nyame yodo everade dome anoba mi ti madwuma everade dome si ato bia de ahenkura ne metom de everade dome and then ono no dream ho se ni medi neno so no kase menya so kase nenso ye ntoma de na ya still God loves me so I love God I know say ono na ukra ye nyina na ni sovereignty na sa word na mbeza boje God's sovereignty means that what tebrofo pa nti aya hwehwe dictionary non tell the sovereign God this among one this asem na say the sovereign God Nyankopon nyameye ni nyameye enu ntina enkofo bebreye ungrateful omunim ze de nyamete na nyame ni nyameye no emu ni hwehwebia na ne don so de esu nipa nyina so esu atere ne efo so esu abone efo so obi esu sikani so esu ajanka so na ade na okakra se mimi ye krafo kunu me ye enyanka aja anka obi a ne maame ewu obi a ne papa ewu ade ntina awurade se o ye neja ni donintia omonso oma enema papa so nso
okay yeah that's say wama be kire nsemu di a kire kama but on that nyame dono obi beka say a relative ye betimi apema kwa animu but ye brain nti wadaroma ye de bisi ha no mo na akiri ya san ba wo nchen biem
me na sepa
enti eno no u say oko court ko oba Ghana ha court no a ye wo ni so no
Udeja, ude manenka.
Oba Ghana ha court na. You will need so. Say ye ka say ye ka. Ye be ka ye mpon.
Tina Nyankopon ni hu no.
Nyankopon hu. No doubt about.
Untimi en se the oyas.
And I say no doubt about Nyankopon hu. And as I the sovereignty now all can. No doubt about it. Even ewo nipa nim die mu no. Yes, or might be a sovereign into Bagana, I say a sovereign nation. Into your name be a bit me, I will be my metrain. Say, Munyan say, a yen ya dear. So as no, yet dear home say, or mine ya dear. Into being to me, president in Chusino. And into your cotua bar now, ya present in a yank and Casanca, yea. Say, and only a cassia chuma, but me a chuma. But a brilliant tea.
And to say court on Ide.
Was a
happy?
No, me cast me happy.
Not a Ghana court Ide.
Ghana court you did only this war. Yet was some call one level now on par to meet twice.
So toss no me cast me job. No,
me cast me quite.
Reverend I can you twice.
Me missing your kind of debatable. Never kind of debatable. You bet me a debatable.
O se debate dia ho.
Yes.
Enti ka be say debate.
And me say, ni a reverend kan ye. Reverend Abekasa. Reverend Abekasa but me. Tie. Me so minimum obi a. Eno no eh gymnastic. Ni o pesa wo kan. Gymnastic. Yo, to the bia. Chichiri bi tu omutirim fa hunehuna wom. Eno na IGP mpe no.
Hey.
Oh yes. And IGP mpeno. Mami hunu om say ye wasem bia ye nka kwara. Ase we de wo ka Nyankopon no. If you are telling me say Nyankopon do wo ho a, e de tira asem wo ha me ka wo so kume.
Eti Obuoba ti hey. Erani pass na so be so be.
And I make her say
oga no want to. O se no gymnastic ana.
No ye hunehuna.
Matias ya.
Owuo no tie.
Ba so make catch us say.
Owuo no.
Nyankopon so was to me no.
Otwum mu ne beten ye pe. O ye da wubewu. But say me biem anu akoka we ni nyame bekum ye. No.
Hey!
It is never done like that.
Hey!
Oh yes.
Hey,
of course. Enter sir.
Say you bet no.
Instant say.
The way I'm more kasano. The way I'm more kasano because of the orientation. Say Ghana ha no. Iya se mo di yenka o. Otumfo asante hina se mo na beka. Yenka o. Eye ade bia ya dream no, it was part of our formation, our thinking this and no ya de aka ho ehunehuna yen
instant idea just they say atwam say no de atwam eno de minim say atwam eno de Nyankopon say
ba o ka so obeye o ka so obeye
o say and the instant just de atwam
na bi ono ka so no Nyankopon de otumi o na bo o ka so beku na
yes, I no correct. Tie, Nyankopon so obeku we na. Obi antumi enye na chine. Say onkun.
And they had ontumi.
But the abeso me can say Reverend Akasa. But a debatable. Oh yes.
And you say that febre.
Debatable. A bring you ho. A bring you ho.
Say obi so adwen no no. Enti ya kan say dey kan say ya na obi so adwen anu say.
Obi so adwen no.
Nyankopon say radio dey aja. Yeah that's.
See enti na
afiasuro.
Afiasuro. Bam here. Your boss
what is it? Okay, no say this year but dem from enya no kre. Ni nyina ya hunehuna. Enya no kre.
Your boss bia pacho. Your boss bia.
Entra IGP kan ye no. IGP say on commission obetimi ahye. But say wo hye nkom dia behunehuna. Nti endura wo kan bi. O se ma me ya IGP anka wo odifu se wan obehunu mi abehye me honkom. Tama me constable no we hu me say ma be IGP. And now be hu say ma be IGP no means IGP be wu. As me see be wu. Ni nyina ye gymnastics. Zazie.
And we nipa gymnastics.
Oh yeah, niema bi. Oh yeah, niema bi aka. I mean, kase mi nchiro me nto ma dwum no me hu nya omu. No. Yes, you fa any ha nkwa aprink.
One of Vegas man.
What
the Chama we pass ya to the uncle. Now baby how you can you run. What of pass mama?
Na bi the amomo ye no. Mo pese mo de any ha.
Asam na ba any your friend lawyer.
And I mean so ya me can say no mungu mi so
na say me
no mungu mi so mungu mi so
okay lawyer betrechim
wa betrechim ne diem so that here oh yes
yes and this is when you dey ba ubo is the final judgment
the sovereign God and the ultimate one near or yes sovereign or yes ultimate nyankopon
this is nyankopon na be judge
no the American say nyankopon dia fa nipa so aka ne de so that here sana nyankopon betumi so afa wo afia so aka sem foforo and into kin kan ba na o se that tie o se na honkonkron ne ba won so no omo hya ase se omo mu bia ka kasa foforo Omo anka sem ba akupe o.
Asem we de na ye ka kasa ba.
Na onko awo ka foforo. Ai ani mo fre ja fomra. Ai ya kan say papa yi. Papa yi.
Ajakuraja.
David. Mbaba yi otu achi yi. Mo no so me kire ne de.
Ko bike.
So wo na ba no so ana wo.
Miensa Trinity.
Ebre na so.
Ya.
Ene de be debate. Paper review de be debate. Efia dan ya na mra nhye dan adwuma wa ha. Enti ya na ma tia ase sa de ama me. But ya me so me ka kire wo ne say ye mfa ani ha han. Enko
african. Ana me so wana ha na ni no.
Wana ya pregnancy.
Wana si wana ha na ni.
Me na
ana pregnancy man ya wa na.
Me kan say. Sa yen orientation.
Asem be nkura na.
Orientation ya dia ma yen still. Orientation ya dia ma yen a. Ya ye bibi say we yen tam kese ye moso no. It is never there anymore.
Anu dia wo ho. Ya be wi ase a. Se na Yankopon
Yesu Kristo ba be wu ye no tiw. Yesu be wu ye no. Bible say na entomadan ni mu tie. Enti we ye nkanasem we ye monidi we ye ntam kese eni hobiem.
Ya wa pam foforom.
So what is it?
Se wa te bibia ho.
E no tumfo ye nkanasem.
Oh.
Ayi abrante wo so ha yi. Amben say. Jones hwan.
Kwabena ayi akwa no wo US. Ayi.
Kini Jonas. Onka otumfo asem.
Okay.
And otumfo asem ye wa ha nyina ye nka. Enso kane no.
So kan wo say de o me kan.
Kane no. Ye mosumpo. Kane no JJ Rollins won timi nkanasem.
Democracy.
But eduru ba bi no. Obi atumi be kan asem. Nti ni me pese ye tie ase ne say.
Omu na wo asem nya ye nipa.
Dia hia.
Ye obubo si.
No. Yes. Enti me you say. Omu mponu anu omu ye nipa o. Omu di bibi huhu beto wo se yanka omasem. Nipa.
But you are talking about God.
There is God.
Now me what I'm talking about. I'm also talking about God. Say Nyankopon say we yentam kese ye moso no. Nyankopon on condone that ade ni biem.
Hey.
Yes. And it no say mo nkwa wiase ama nyina. Na mo kan sempa no.
Sempa de
say. Baby a mo nkowura. Yen ka say ha no de no go area we ha kwa bi no.
Enu ye wiase asem na yen kan Nyankopon asem say.
Na ho de bo wiase no.
Nyankopon say ono no udwiri ne ho a wonte ase.
For now no me nka say me edwiri ne ho ate na ase o.
And
na mo ma yan fancy here. Yen tu sheda. Oda.
Etu sheda na beka. We dey unu hwe.
Interesting.
Ebuja forma ye twa ho bra ye ba de aka nyina de to aso de aba ho.
Say you cast Dominion herbal powder ema immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wo tadi yare sun kunimu a ehu adanse bi ne o
adon de fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yesi me say
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse enti na me kanfo ne aye ewo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enuanso anya wonsu ohie wo ti cap mu na da treketo ase bia gumu wa twa nseti anom wa wie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo abata omo manufo ene nkwada woni mfie dum yenu de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum.
Hey, na den e koso amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. Wa pass yankasa.
Hey, na school ben no eni omo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko tro ne de enye kura o. Hey, mass nya.
Faniko only believe.
English yenye.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye kura.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. E penny for sister banchinya. E jana kire. Abofra no de wo sister ni tia bon na wo hu hwe ya. Faniko only believe. Afi omo mo tro so hwe ni nyina pa. Menua, amofra no ya dachi o. BC so hwe omo mo tro ye. Say wa pass yo. Say wa pass yo. Faniko only believe. Na the see me ne we ka say no. Womo bia admission na womo chi mmofra no. Form 1, Form 2. Konya da hono mo se see make say.
Hey, enti awofo ani age omo ye de say.
Yen kan kire. Yase body ani one ye din kanfo. Only believe papa. Abofra ne ko ho na ne so hwe ne de. Kwan bia school be ma chire for me for so mmofra na pass ne de. Womo be ye. Wo school fees so de ne border from boko. Obetima tua ne installment. Kakra ko yisa abofra ne be wie school. E school ya bia ne platform ma want admission. School fees ne crowd here e ma ne nya dadwen. Wo dia ne se wo de wani be kire mu. E wo only believe senior high. E di for wani kire mu wo achim kokrantu. Anasa fresh 0240 202 148. Anasa 247 670 736. And 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Ya dia ye call.
Super oh super oh super some cement any superstar cement and it's here Messi for the contractor for nyina tuaguso e some G's enterprise and akofa sa cement mienu ediaba ento ye Messi ni we ye contractor wo be ye project bia e super some cement any superstar cement and no necessary water and one day ni grade no e 42.5 hour and 32.5 hour na so ukoto superstar cementa and no see 32.5 n Ghana nyina and no penny cementa and ye 55 kilos ya chow 5 kilos free ninina and some G's enterprise and now ko fadia back moda some G's enterprise etonto iron raw size baby and unti wo pe super cement and superstar cement anase iron rods ni bi etu aton some G's enterprise ewo akimoda amantra yene dux filling station no ene bo hwe ni mu frɛ wo mo ewo 0243 583190
One day, no be 2 days. One day, only one day. No be 3 days.
Ghana adisiye. Obuoba Ofori Amanfo emamo ache edeba AHENKAN933FM
Very well. Yeah, that's it. So I train am yakoto nkraba sene so much no energy media gusu awu 80 no still live on your family favorite radio station AHENKAN933.3FM or frame Obuoba Ofori Amanfo. Yeah, twaso na yakoda nim ya no ahye nso se eye ifiada mache. Ifiada de ya na enmra no nhye da nya adwuma saa so ate ase protocols ni breki ni bebre enti eto da bia ne awo hwe animu senka ya wode de be ma ufiada no na wanya ne saa na wate ase saa de ama me kama ma me fast dan confirm Promotional enterprise adwuma pa wo yenti e frɛ no adwuma wura na e free eye mackerel e so biscuits e free ho ere kwa de akwakopem ne wo share de bia spray wo ho no ni nyina wo call Promotional enterprise awon sabetumi aka bia adwuma pa wo yenti yese wo ye adwuma wura odan mo ena dodo no a efrɛ no enti wa bia provision store bi wo pese wo kofa ne ma begum a wo ton awon so won sabetumi akwa no a anope me kan for Promotional enterprise dia ma wa chemo da Madarina hotel ase ho no mo na obehu ne yen ya no afre yen 0244897525 0244897525 0206473953 no ne number be frɛ ne atumi ajo so ye be kwa homa ne so na ye ni Owura Abubakar Isaka akwa kwotwetwe enkomo ye president edema cyber security Expert Association of Ghana. Yere ne kwotwetwe enkomo kakra. Opani wuti enkan kan fam suni ma che.
Maakye menia.
Na bibi aboko de. Atiefo eje wo so anopa yi. Nti anopa yi ba wo nchen a ye pese yesu ade kakra. Mo ankasa nso mukuo no de kokobɔ kwa magana for se afiwe cyber attacks ebekoso eni nti am ye ni na ho. Sa ne tie.
Ba jo sa ne tie.
Wada romanchire mu ne sen.
Security Expert Association, a group of experts in Ghana, and I can see across all the regions, administrative regions in Ghana. The Afibiano economy, now you discuss a whole lot of things. First and foremost, let's say, a review of the year, what has transpired from January to December. Now, what is expected to happen? And as part of the projections, there are factors. One, and the trend at which cyber security and attacks now how it went, and I will share the banking fraud data report now a buyer in the last year now. A treasure over millions of Ghana cities. A far cybersecurity home. Says I'm for use cybersecurity so area from these financial institutions. And prominent among them, let me say about 50% of attacks now a fraud case now every insider. Say you can insider from more financial institutions in these attacks. And yes, I also share say in the ITU, you can say the global cybersecurity index reports are a buyer Ghana ranked 10 in cybersecurity, the whole of Africa. I don't know, looking deep into the data, Ghana actually had third, but then capacity building, I say, who am I know? Do you know about cybersecurity? Say I'm a teda. I can say practically, what I find there should be far over every cyber attack on one or one. So that means that 15% in almost all Ghana say we don't actually know much about cybersecurity. And today, on all this analysis and other more, the projections in your home say cybersecurity and cyber attacks on a bit projected more. Now, the economic factor so I can be. Say in we are in economic issues. And this mind will be a wide impact because okay, you will I was saying by PM. Now, we come more. But Obinso the Nagin, yes, sir. Obeka say, I'm more yes, and you know, so quite bonny so area will be sicker. And people will be able to capitalize on the economic hardship to involve themselves more in cyber related attacks. And your day report in a buyer outlining various instances attacks will not be beating your back. Prominent among attacks may be your mobile money phone. In the statement it says they are going to be more aggressive ways of and tactics of attacking people, especially on the mobile money side. OSHA mobile money quite sure amount for far or more to me we amount for seeker if you mobile money wallet. What are the base? You see different strategy. Say, I'm using this to cite an example. To send them back. This time around, they are migrating from that angle because someone say, I'm not fooling you. So they are using more sophisticated angles by using third-party payment systems. You can institutions like BluePay, PayStack, and many other. So they would rather use this third-party pay system. An authorization direct into which authorization, but you will see an immediate pop-up. And the most sophisticated ways are your project say it will happen. Let's say an attacker taking your money say if you work do mobile money. okoye mobile money maybe a one fee na ojina ho no wabo mobile money number out maybe obi gina nchen wa phone number no without you knowing. And you know at that instant no obeti me push this kind of authorization into one share maybe baka say wala cash na ojina ho na iben that she can iben pop up na buy if you be enter open and share na kwakoye for be so be fa the real Sika. Some of these things are very technical. And there are a lot of technical ways among moving for. So the biggest advice we give on the aspect of mobile money is once you reach the vendor's point and you realize amount will be breaking and change, request to write your number and submit to the vendor.
Okay.
Don't mention your mobile money. Now, don't mention your mobile number loud. Sometimes it makes you vulnerable. And what they call mobile money. So among them are various areas can say among for more mobile.
Okay.
Now institutions, say radio stations, say what are you doing to safeguard yourself because you are a regional radio station as you say more national level. And you know you can now be a subject of attack. If you are on a website, you are publishing your news. Are you safeguarding yourself? More I'm using my phone, I'm using your radio station as an example. More I'm using my mobile phone, you see, I'm using to my there for clients or no. More in the with the sort of best practices and our safety measures are moving. And there was a OPI the whole on one buying over the usual phone, over the usual laptop, air cost. You know, air cost technology air cost the related effect and related attacks. In the air cost, what the days are like I say attack, it's in a whole pack, Usika or Fabra, and only I'm robbery. Right now, these things are getting down. And they are now moving the robbery to the internet highway.
Okay.
So, because they know that they are free, it's in air back Accra. Who financial bottom?
Dabi.
Maybe I want bank account and I money wallet. Why would they even go and cross you by the way and cash for Sika Bra? There be a woman fast aqua so I won't use Sika aqua and a bank so I'm a the way so with my internet bank or phone so or laptop so.
Over to me, okay. My final question would be, sir, you heard the government in a commitment as a cyber crime concern, not your quantia. And again, one more punishment, you know, that's tough for a best deterrent, others.
Already Establishing Act 189, Cyber Security Act, and my Cyber Security Authority and they say cyber security or more the third floor in the National Communication Authority building. Because this whole thing started in 2020 December, so yeah, in fact, cyber security, a very long time. For that time, ABC this time, authority no a buying and she say no. In establish a friend emergency call center. In this emergency call center, we are also certificate attack and as one suspect will be attack me in my cyberspace and mobile money, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and I say the website will be report. But then concern I'm being as an association. I'm a damn on the say. Report in India with them. A young mouth reply says, we are investigating it and so she and Phobia say, report. What are you telling us as a victim of cyber attack? And they say, me report you know, if I know me and I said, you know, anything I call you and I'm a no, I saw you didn't man on the and you know, Medina was so actually I might say a monthly most experience Emma victims because I want to attack maybe at 10,000 Ghana. Abraham reporting incident in Amau. What I say you until we are investigating. Now, to me, mamma feedback at the share. Getting at the family, so we are urging the Cyber Security Authority to ensure that it's being implemented.
Okay. Yera ma yenase bibi about JB.
Yo, me that's it.
Enti yene president the Cyber Security Expert Association of Ghana, Abubakar Isaac, and yene ne kwato twen en komo yen twaso na yen ko yen anim hyeren so efoma me se okọ akwatia NPP bepem sa abre omuntumi nto aba o enti free wo mo de NPP form friends is it police station or branch a free hono polling station, yes, a free polling station at the back constituency chair, vice chair, constituency secretary, organizer, youth organizer, treasurer, ni keke ka hono onto ye na afeina abrewe puma kwem ama abatoɔ no ɛbɛba so nti yɛbɛhwɛ na yakɔ hɔ akɔkɔdi enkomo. But in the meantime, Willie Duck Technologies Ghana ɛsɛ me nka nkyerɛ wɔ de nafua baako anaasɛ da baako ɛsi hɔ a da baako no wɔ de ɛba bɛyɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ dwumadie nti saa da baako dwumadie no ɔbɛkyerɛ plasterboard design and POP, electric fencing installation, car motor tracking system, ni nyina wɔbɛkyerɛ CCTV camera installation, satellite installation, biofuel digester installation, air condition installation, mushroom farming, kwan ya wɔbɛfa so yɛ enwa ɛna ɛwɔ yɛbɛkyerɛ ni nyinaa na nneɛma bɔbɔ so nyinaa no ɔse o bɛfa ho nkrataa ɛyɛ 20 Ghana cedis 20 Ghana cedis ɛna wo bɛfa na watua na training ni nyinaa nso ɛka wo bɛbɔ wɔ ho yɛ 300 Ghana cedis enti wo ka bɔ mu a ɛka wo bɛbɔ wɔ ni nyinaa ho in general ɛyɛ 320 Ghana cedis na yɛakyerɛ wo plasterboard ceiling design, POP, electric installation, car motor tracking system, CCTV camera installation, satellite installation, biofuel digester. Man de adorso pa. Ahun shem ebi na won susu nya so mfa so obetumi asua we no wadidi ho obi amagye mfiri won nsam. Eno nso ya sign the promotion dwumadie bi e de hyehye so a ye giving away for 3 months ye installation biogas and a biofuel digester no ye de ama omanfo omo pebi na plumbing works nso ye promotion din to ani je ho a na akire free 0244 959949 0244 959949 and 0244635007 eno ne ye number be free na yetimi agye so dwumadie a ye de ba be kire ye da ba ko ye yesi wo de be kire wo sa ne ma mbobo so no me pacho ebeko so 4th February e de kopim 11th inti 4th de wo ho ne wo wo ho wo fra no na wo de ho ahyem yesan so chemical ya treat ne ye de ye ho KVIP and na ye wo bioenzyme ye organic ye wo treated coconut fiber so 3D epoxy ye wo ni nyina ebi wo fra number no me de no a nkomo no ne ya nyina no mo bitimi ahwe mu adi kama pa Jubilee Hospital seven cancer sa no pay wo edodo wo bi akogege wapomu a e ba cho ya na wo ani Jubilee Hospital sansie wo abotre e wo nipa ho OPD inpatient service a laboratory ni na ebi ho pharmacy, antenatal care, postnatal care, theater. Jubilee dey say come ho asem a adaje bebo yen sore so wa wonim say Jubilee dey ba potem ha no mo a omo akaka ho ni nyina me say obia boa eboa Jubilee ena wo mo edi kan ya omo aka nyina edi akiri nti eya na do ani akiri mu ho no mo ni akwakohwe opa o konso na wukura insurance, national health and a private and so kwa ye na yahwe kama pa odabo Central Bridge no be hunu Jubilee Hospital ya no afrain was 0244 575799 0244 575799 and 0241784645 0241784645 ɛno yɛ number wobɛfrɛ na Jubilee for to me agye wo so afei ɛna me no ka say Bloom's Bookshop and Stationery wɔn ɛyɛ book fair wɔn hyɛ ase na ano Jordan no ɛne ɛkɔhwɛ nkrɔfo atu agu book yi so yɛatete boɔ ne so yɛatete so ɛne nti ama nkrɔfo a betu agu so no nya sɛnketo mpa akyɛw ɛma ɔsa afela no yɛ book fair yi wa metanuma no ne yɛsesɛ ne nyinaa kogu shop ni mu a ebi asɛne nka wobenya ne nne no yɛde kogu shop ni mu a wonya ne saa ɛne nti ma na ma ɔto mpa kyɛw sɛ wo kwa ketewa bi sɛ wotɔn mu nyinaa momfa mo ho nkɔgye mu na monkɔ sesa ne bebree ɔnson bi a ne yɛsi nkonwa kɔpem sɛ no nan bɛbɔ na yɛwie dwumadie no ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Ghana Commercial Bank wɔn anim hɔ no mu a kyerɛ sɛ Bookshop and Stationery wɔn mu di sɛ adwuma yi kama paa nti sɛ textbooks na wopɛ ɛde ama free preschool copying primary junior high school ɛna senior high school even university oba wɔn nso so benya wo textbooks ni bi wɔ hɔ yɛba no exercise books rulers pencils sharpener notebooks ɛne ne akaka ho nyinaa no oba Bloom's Bookshop and Stationery amepakyɛw on nsa bɛka ne nyinaa ebi ɛyɛ ano afrɛ wɔ 0244 293632 0244 293632 0203 083731 0203 083731 fresa number no na yenye wo so afei ba ko aka wa ha ɛyɛ Samchi Enterprise yesi dan sɛ ɛyɛ abansoro na wusi abatia na wusi sɛ wutwa blocks ɛton wobɛhia cement na wodi adi wudwuma mepakyɛw ɛyɛ Samchi Enterprise ɛna mekamfo di ama wo ɛyɛ ɔno no akɔfa cement ya ne bo ɛfo ɛpa ɛne project no sɛ te sample kora no a wobɛtumi di ayɛ ɛyɛ Samchi Enterprise ɛno yɛsan wɔ iron rods no yɛwɔ akɛseɛ yɛwɔ adantɛmo ɛne yɛwɔ nketewa nyɛ sɛ large medium ɛna small ni nyinaa sizes no woba hɔ a wo nsa bɛka wo deɛ afei yɛba ne nkyɛnse a yɛde kuru dan so ɛno nso so yɛwɔ bebree ɛyɛ papa ɛna ne boɔ nso ɛfo ɛna do a yɛde bɔ so ɛno nso wobɛnya bi ɛwɔ yɛn hɔ no mu mepakyɛw bebree yɛkyi kwan yɛyera kwan koraa kyem ɔdan mantra wache junction ɛna yɛbutuo yɛbɛn Dukes filling station yɛbɛn wɔn paa ɛyɛ no afrɛ yɛn 0243 583190 0243 583190 wofrɛ saa nɔmba na yɛbɛgye wo so na afei nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛtumi ahwɛ mu tie wei ma yɛyɛ ba
Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend. Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day be my birthday. It be we did it. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we outside. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we outside. Body like a panda. The way she move it make a panda. Break it down, make it wiggle like a panda. I want to know what you meet me in the corner. Bouncy, 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 baby, bouncy, bouncy, ma. Bouncy, 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 baby, bouncy, bouncy, ma. Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday. Wait till weekend. Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day be my birthday. It be we did it. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we outside. Oh baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we outside. I woke up, cute again. Man, I'm a 10 over 10. Guy, yeah, me do. Check it out, I call like it's worth it. Today, what say? It's the whole season I play. Shorty, let's go. She said, okay. Oh, no. Oh, baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we high. Oh, baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we high. Check it out. Champagne for my
okay, Mammy Samoa Kwaba from Russia in social and so for Mammy Sam Marching. I don't need you media Guswa 88. Co-main Sapila 2 the day about see fellow Ghanaians, Miss Remo, Mama Yemo, His Excellency and Adam Kufuado, and Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, Yemo, Mabaso. Nasa one student, one tablet, no Madi Bandia, Imuye, Ayiko, Enko, Emfa, Emma Womo. And all say watchia Jefferson Saki, incoming MP, Edema Ablekuma Centera. Nedia wadi eba no James Tete. And so the Nedia Diabawa Harmon watch say James Tete, Eddie Free Sunyane, or say the NDC and their flag bearer hopeful, and I'm say on crowd or say flag bearer precon are trying hard to ride on the global economic crisis to win power. Na ni opeso ka che omse omo be ya enya de a ebe ye yate owo ahene akwasi champon enso de de abatententen wa ha no ba ma me kwa homa ne so mransa na fi memra eso ye beko ahoma ne so na ye ni Joshua K Ope akotwe enkomo ono no ye general secretary at the National Union of Ghana Students NUCS any credit efre Joshua Ultiminka apo mokodi AHENKAN FM suni
Mpomboko mejo so na mesme shawe tiefo nyina na medawa so na akwenya odi amami
yenso ye da se papa ne obre na minister in charge of education kire se courses bibri aye kokosua wo school mu no ebewie no eya yenya ho adwuma enye mo adisuafo no so sara mo so hunu no
after we all kind idea odwenwa na ejeze eya den so obeti ase se obeja to say school for institutions and to upon ni na some of the course be beba no na eya dia accreditation board and say the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission no my course is relevant for our setting. It is a minister and make it fair to that. It means that there is a loophole somewhere or someone somewhere and say every courses so there is a mandate as I say every time biano. Emrano biano update and as accreditation. It's more so that a bit me are evolving with the trending times. So if the minister, because from the statement, it was obvious that he had the facts to back it as well. And so, I mean, the point is that once he made such a statement, then equally, Ubedia didn't say he has the tools to also make that change and make sure that the courses are relevant. Yes, school for the young catching as a courses in the relevant. It's so I used to the nipa be na ombewie so meka se enya adwuma anya na president yempenni for no munim se saade na ye no kre nti omo hu de na ye behwe se they will make sure that the structures are put in place to update courses to make sure that course it's relevant to the job market. Even make from say I will make sure that they put that into use and make sure that they make things better.
Okay, and more as union no say from time to time a school for a graduate a free school mu e ba bonten a ye nyina ye hunu bi nia all kind of most some observations mo hunu say sa na tie na mo hunu a across my mind the crowd for once say at least mo be document bi atwempanimfo adwen ba so say courses na mo ma yesua no ye wia ya na ye nya ho adwuma enye
and as crossed our mind. We've done a lot of conversations around it. that is why recently, as a union, we even changed our executive structure. Say you're incorporating secretary for entrepreneurship, innovations, and skills development. Because you realize that there is a huge gap when it comes to skills. Oshie school for our school, even though institutions as part of our courses, the council a school for them industrial attachment and as internship. Maybe our company, because who was school now, there, you different from there. Like oko adwuma mu hon ma me dire say wo ne meeting komo yi wa be je to mutane oko sua wo school mu about ne journalism and asese ne kasa no oba radio so a ensese ne woko school mu a woko ne woko sua na enye the same thing it may be similar but different wo and the another sana ba na students no skill wise no our form na institutions be na the two of a school for no intensive but be on benya intensify and pomu nyampo nye and the union no cry the to ya won say ye create office this state and be ya so we would advocate for skills training and all those things and see in our own part we've been doing it now me know cause any agents the Ghana Enterprises Agency the National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program NEP. They know na aging say a school for almost school they will gain the relevant skills and those things. I mean, Minister Naba Abonte Abe Canada na they almost on my job because then I can almost say go can almost youth no ye peda. Youth serious. Young people na about say serious. Intina you mean but some idea to say our educational system has a challenge like that. Then obviously then it's a good way to go and we think that Siciano Omomadia to me then is sorry waka near your money dinner per se no near making sure that school for any requisite skills because they are intensive crime a school for you never been putting up intensive why
okay Joshua ma na senior fancy hachiri ebesa ba ne abeto ankomo yi so
but madam was a pani akwenya na ye bompa ese ye penny for no be bibia because and shema eba out no say a school for area square offer a school for 100 be on area square e mu 10 penny to minya adwuma after on national service so on be national service offer 100 and after offer the 10 bia mu ba kope ene nya adwuma that is 10% or hanche mu edupe ene minya adwuma after national service there are some I know do pa madam after munya akwenya se mubedi sha mu ehun komo
okay mate me pon a yebedi nkomo wachire ho why okay enti Joshua K. Opai, General Secretary the Man National Union of Ghana Students and in the country and come on some 47 minutes into 9 a.m. Maakye any dwumadie no edin na senemdi kan bo amane no okọ Akwatia constituency NPP womo internal elections for one or two reasons to me ama womo abato no anko so afei ne nyankopon adom abrewa yi puma kwan mu a General Secretary edema party no lawyer Justin Frimpong Kodua one ne mpanimfo akwa ase ama afei no omo the directives aba se afei de Akwatia NPP abato womo nhwe na womo nto ye hwese yensa be company fo na ye no mo akwatwetwe ho enkomo ye no akwatwetwe ho enkomo kama pa all right so mami he message ye free me manager ho abai o se den okay mami kwa ho so mra na fei me pay attention yabeka ho so na ye ni owura Evans o say ya boa nkrofo no ata fra ni cho boy or Eastern Regional Communications Director yare ne kwatwetwe nkomo eja Evans o timi nkan no pay AHENKAN FM suni Maakye
minia pechoso
man fa o mena ne na ma sorry cho boy oh David you too much sir position ni ba ya kra ye ni nkomo already isu
enukwe me was me pet time na me back studio ni edi nkomo
sir and ma congratulations impo na afei deɛ aberewa yi kuma pan mu ama akwatia yɛ kɔto aba ɛbere bɛn
Minia, I can Madam for this opportunity. Now, my Pakwanya is so much here with Tifun, most especially MPP for a war a year or done important much months and important one. But it's a move by Juma, and they know one of the top notch radio stations that a year Juma or a year important AHENKAN933FM. Why are they? Most especially community based a year programs are more. I don't know, Yaminka Mona want to ask on any more a year or minor any Edumapa, a binding Yahudero.
Yeah, that's
it. Ubuza in Locre, Aquatia, MP Kamanu Kuno, Aquatia Yakuma so. Now, under the able leadership of a regional chairman, Ira Jeff Kunedu Ado, the strategy is to recapture Aquatia, Ayensuano, and other constituencies here. Yet depend, I was it to me, Eche. And don't you know. There's history behind election. It's say and almost say and because many are police station elections, And the assembly in court, High Court. Last year in the High Court, it declared young fresh elections from polling station to electoral area and go see a year constituency. And under the hand of a General Secretary on the 28th of December, or the Eastern Regional Leadership say, Yanko Akwetia, Yanko to Abantimini Amenoka saying, the regional chairman executives are setting 9-member committee, a committee led by a first vice chairman, leading the Dr. Chumberima, regional administrator elections, Kahubi, regional secretary Kahubi, after 25 MPs, Nico Kosono, at the year. A chance this year, Honorable Kofi Mafo and a rep committee in so MMDC is in so the Ayenswan DC committee in so and a constituency chairman or work with the secretary, ex-official members, and the regional executives in also will also come in as a backup on the support committee. That 9-member committee in the air draw the roadmap near the elections. Many say committee at the ENRA and the say yes sensitization exercise. Your core electoral area be near engage your mount for a year apatia. Near Chima Tronomat say this is how 24% a year elections. And when you can say none and better apatia, you could say a year Jumano. If you could say yes sensitization exercise.
Okay. And now about one and Sandy Becoso da Bain.
Nah, I knew what you say about your Fakame. Say and say it here. Abatono. A year and then you may any ABA nominations. The nominations are ABA no. A year 23rd, 22nd of a year this month. And the next year, Ochinami Mene and Aquasiada. We a year Obi a would see Aquatia MPP near Obi be a routine picking forms in the bin. Now there's a shame before you need forms, no. There were 21 electoral areas in Wakwatia, and until Obibia, our performs in the corner a year electoral area coordinator and chair forms in the Yamano. Assembly members of Wakwatia are affiliated to MPP, the forms in the Yamom, Krubia. After government appointees, the Wakwatia, and so Yamom forms in the after party officer, the forms in the Yoho, constituency chairman of Wakwatia, Yamani forms in the also secretary work with Yazukra forms in the Honorable Amase Yamani forms in the Honorable and Eskumi Yamani forms in the I don't know. I have forms available to everybody. Just 5 Ghana city. No Cotonou in your form. No was waiting here contesting me. I say, my member for Atina Renan 24 year for a year elections. A year and Neko sequence and a year picking forms. The picking forms in India. I was saying you're converting. Verting no process near 24th and 25th. And the verting no a year aquatia. But if anyone say virtually you be free. See, I could disqualify will be unless any panel dear beer with the record to buy with the intimate inter party no against a year in party constitution and national constitution no. It will be a officer contest to be a no fine. We have been in Quadia who contest. The bear appeal on the 25th of January. Obi on Manebia or Kratabi, FOB was in Nipa with the manager ye or no so quite the hope. No, when you find the thing, the 1 day to be 27th of this month. Nanka every polling station be at a go near Koso, that they to national banner. Maybe a bear, I can see a too heavy, maybe with the Mika who the Qua, that they bear process and everything year. But if anyone say, when a BBS near the 27th, the 28th in Swaka, when they 2 days, 27th and 28th, and they bear a year elections for polling station. You are electoral area and say that year, 29th January, you open nominations for electoral area coordinators. Near close to the 30th January. Now voting I 31st January. Appeal be a 1st February. Now voting I 2nd February. There were 21 electoral areas. And elected polling station executives, and a better abandoned electoral college in Ketua, and I know the answer. After constituency elections, opening of nominations near 3rd February, closing near 4th February, voting I 6th February, appeals I 7th February. Now election of a year, constituency executives, acquire 11th a year February. Now the Jumedi Nina Abbey, they are prepared album for national.
Okay, enti the abane said the ebesi hansa na ye nipa na refri wo ye ho de ye kwa animu no emu a ye besa ba no aka ye nkopem obra mo be wie ni nyina anopa ye ne ati for that say
let that was say wa ha and the mu here clarity and any information I think that you can call chairman so number ma circulate a monsa can wait me for any of the committee members no na mo the clarity but me kono the message say when people work with piano there was say you nyina kabom ne ye baako the be ye betuma united front to win a year akwatia elections no when you say 20 a year 20 abano then kananta obi akomato ne yema and ye de call ya nke win ye but how are you person build a party no and no the person build a party to the extent to say it shouldn't be around individual say ye nye to boy dia ye nto aba wo se som osono no say the be ya ni pe be de bia no ye nto say ye de oson amanyuko na ye som ye to aba na mo osono am ye tinya majority in parliament ye de tinya breaki 8 no the best party ni bia say o ha ye be ye basabasa yo ne ntokwa de ye nyai ye nka ehumom say busia baako the baby to me aji 2 minutes free. For them. You better want to start a year with you for and I pay who produces a name when you go to your own.
Obia and so edge was super pepe. Cho boy. Oh, you too much. Yeah, that's a bit. Yane Evans was say your boy, where Eastern Regional Communications Director, the NPP, and your negotiation and community aquatian some. Ena wachirichiri mu kama edi amayen no ebrene ko ma memfa some messages na fe menya na men sorry so Emmanuel Opoku apia wona oda blue deco wona oda no ano pay me good morning once again blessed sun 2 p.m. asante mampong osimo mi nyina mo mpa mfa ma my Ghana sansa ho kire na musisi ane de ano odene papa na mampani akufu ado wa feli Ghana for o gidie se NDC for ba no ba beje on my Ghana ko men sample atu wo de na makan wasan de atoa me wa ha ma men komanim James onso sa makan owo ahene enso boy abaso ye da se na boafo George enso se morning show papa King George o hwen e di free adenta na ono so de aba wa ha na mo teacher Kujo enso di free tapanyina susu ono so de aba wa ha teacher Kujo ye da se Opadimo Felix also so mehunu wo de no wa ha ye da se o si kumase soame na otie yen efrie famous emerald enso so se o boy abaso ne adwuma papa na yenchia atopan famma no ubisa se atopan ne hwan akoto tops all ono no o si yenchia no emfa ema no Pedroa enso se owo eye kumase tan no so Kesbin Junction baby a Morgan or Tony pork no munyina ya da mo ase mo amode fa hode ba ya fe yenko normal SMS no so e ne ye hwede wa ha na fe yen sorry we say NPP ne NDC o munyina destroy Ghana Nyankopon pe ene betimi age yen eno nti no more NDC no more NPP again Senior Wilson dia ode ba ye no we say good morning Enchiankoma BM24 national executives, especially Mr. Paul J, Honorable Boyoyo, and Nana Kwame Takwa, Master Planner Junior, Kentampo, Edia or De Baye, Enono. And the final one that I'll do here, I'll say, God is in control of everything, Yate, Nedia or so, or De Baye, Enono. Afi, Mamenko family personal, the Enon from Bray, personal page, Hono. Na fi yen sorry so na dwumadi ahodo aka no so meto ato aso ma o hwe ne so se ene efiada enti ye sorry so ne ye beba biemu age se Monday Yesu ma kwan a se Nyankopon ma kwan de a ene ene bi hia wo heaven ne de eden ye beko Conrad Kakraba mi ankasa me boss okọ Heritage Christian College on ye director wo ho Anope boss me ma a very good morning. Ample for bright maka we you dada wasan de aba wa ha mo. Abusuan kae no ka chire kwa kubuaten Anita ohene wa ene mo makaka ho ni nyina ye ntimi ambo mudin no momfa nche yen. Ye bre na so. Finally. Yeah, then I watch na baby. Yeah, I'm weni fita sama kese. Yeah, da si bebre. Osi yenchia honorable Kennedy Japan fama no. Ena protozua. Omwate. Memra suntime sorry akoma me fast dan confirm ma udi ahenkan kwame yebo adwempa hene kofi mensa ka obike kwame asante and a Billy man wo a utie yen wo a wo send your message wo a wunya yanka be fraba